Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and Miss Callie Cat is sitting down there going, now how can I get to mom? Because I got a box in my lap, I got a box over there with my laptop on it, I got boxes over here. I'm an unboxing channel. There's boxes everywhere. So I placed an Amazon order. Y'all, you know, I opened that big advent calendar from Glossy Box. It was $89 for me because I do subscribe to Glossy, $99 for everybody else. And I got to thinking there has to be more reasonably priced advent calendars out there for everybody else who doesn't want to pay that much money or can't pay that much money for an advent calendar because they are so fun. And so I went to Amazon and I found some on Amazon, y'all. And I don't know if I'm going to open it right now, if I'm going to open it later because I got a lot of clothes to try on, but there was a piece of clothing in this haul. So I'm going to show you what I got, and maybe I'll make an individual video of me opening the advent calendars I got. So I hope that's okay with y'all, but that's what we're going to do. So on top, we have the piece of clothing. These are the 90 Degrees by Reflex Power Flex yoga pants. They're high-waisted, squat-proof, ankle leggings with pockets for women. It's in a Rustic, Scarlet, and it is a size large. What did I pay for it? I paid $26.99 for them. All right, they are the very slick activewear type of legging. And them being ankle, I don't know if I'm going to love them, but I thought I'd give them a shot. I thought these might look cute under something, you know, a long t-shirt wearing around. You know, probably not working out because I don't do much of that, but cleaning, you know, chilling, whatever. So, I haven't tried this 90 Degree by Reflex before. I'm curious to know how I'll like them. I don't know, I don't always go for these, you know, I like more of the cotton stretchy, but I don't know why I bought them. I bought them. That's all it is. There's the pockets. We'll try them on. We'll see how it goes. They're just so polyestery. I'm afraid I'll get hot, you know. What happens? Okay, I did buy the kids some Greenies that are supposed to help with the breath. I've already gotten them out and they've been eating them, so they were like $2.39. They were the Feline Greenies Natural Dental Care Cattreats, catnip flavored. Let me just grab it because I'm going to show it to you. Yep, knock it stuff over. Okay. Kylie's like, oh, she's got the treats. So here are the Greenies. The kids do love them. All three of my picky kitties do like to eat them. It does suggest that you give them 8 a day. Now, I haven't been doing that because it just seems like a lot on top of the other treats I do give them. But that's what they look like. They're a chunky little treat. And you want to come over here and have it, Miss Callie? Look at her. She's like, ooh, ooh. You want it? You can have it. That's a good girl. My kids are very picky. Now, Meow will pretty much eat anything, but some things he won't. Bonnie's very picky. Callie, she gets tired of stuff after a while. And she'll kind of slow down on eating it, but she is such a muncher. But yes, good product. I don't know if it's going to help their breath or not. She's got some breath. Oh my goodness, y'all. She's got some breath. All right. So now to the advent calendars. This is, and I'm going to have a hard time not opening it right now because I really want to. This is the W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar for 2021. 24 doors of makeup and cosmetics. Surprises for Christmas. Cruelty-free holiday gifting for women, girls, daughters, and teens. This advent calendar is $26.69. Keep in mind the price does fluctuate a lot on Amazon, but I bought it on October the 29th. What's today? November 10th. So, super cool. Beauty Blast. It has the little punch outs all through here. It does give us a sneak peek of what's on the back, but I don't want to look at that too much. Like I said, I'll make a video of me opening it so you can see everything that's in it if you want to. The other one I got was also a W7. This is the Glam Box Gift Set. Look at that. This is actually not an advent calendar, but it was a gift set. Super cute. 3-piece eyeshadow gift box. Blazin orange, browns, and golds. Color Me Buff, nudes, browns, smokes, and Beat It. Neutral copper pinks. Pink tone, matte tones, and shimmer finishes. This was $14.21. So it's got the 3 different palettes. I'm not sure about the orange one, but we'll find out. It's got a little peek at the colors there too. I'll open this up later and we will look at it. So what did you think of this haul? Great little gift set. I mean, you could give this to a teenager, you could give it to your mom. It just depends on what everybody likes. But it does have shimmers, so make sure your mom's likes shimmers, because my mom's not a shimmery girl. She is like a, do I have to put anything on? Maybe some lipstick, you know, that's about it. Anyway, I'll try these pants on. Miss Callie's in the box. I'll try these pants on and then we'll come back. And maybe if I have time, I'll do something. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see y'all back in a second. All right, y'all. So here is my outfit for the day. Y'all, sorry about the mess over here. I've got a lot of stuff on my bed. I'm wearing these jeans I got from Amazon. There are Vintage America. The top, I cannot remember where I got this top from, y'all. Hang on. This is a Renee C top. I will look and see where I got it and put it down below for you. And actually below it, I felt like I might show. So I actually have another shirt underneath it. I've got it pinned just so that the lace sticks out. I think I got that one from Maurices. It's a cute little purple top. Jewelry. Rocksbox. Torrid. All right, let's get to trying stuff on. All right, so here are these leggings. Okay, I don't know that I love them. They are just so slick and noisy. Those are just not my favorite kind of thing. Yeah, I do feel like they are sucking me in. And they do come up high, and there is also a pocket. I think there was a pocket right here somewhere. Yes, there's a pocket right there for money, credit cards, whatever. And you got the pockets. Are there pockets on the sides? I thought there was. Maybe there wasn't. Who knows? But there's one on the inside right there. Tight. You can see the undies through them. I'm not squatting for you. But they do come to my ankles, and I don't love that. I like them to be a little longer. So, yeah, these are probably going to be a no for me. Although, if you like exercise pants, you don't mind the feel of them, I think you probably like these. So, let me know what you think. Comment below. Alright, so I am back. I'm hot. I'm just trying on like 6 different clothing hauls in one day because I'm trying to get it all worked in before I go to town. These leggings, I'm not gonna keep them. I don't need any athletic leggings. I need like leggings to wear under shirts and stuff. So I'm probably gonna send these yoga pants back. They were $26.99. So just to let you know, they will be sent back. And stay tuned to see the advent calendar and the eyeshadows. Y'all, thanks for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. So does Miss Calliecat. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.